Looking at today's professional world, it seems that employees are growingly unhappy about their workplaces. Truth is, there's nothing wrong in having a 9-to-5 job, and that improving it is something that is very doable. However, if having more personal time and more capital is something that you care about, you might want to watch carefully. If you are thinking of teaching your passion online to millions of people all over the world, while building a diversified and sustainable online business around it, this video is for you. In this video, we will explain in a simple and structured manner how you can go from your 9-to-5 job to building a six-figures online business. But before to proceed further, you should know that this video does not replace your financial advisor. The ideas presented in this video are for entertainment purposes only. You, and only you, are responsible for the financial decisions that you make. Welcome to Professionals by Nature, where people find tips and advices about their career, personal finance, and college education. If you have not considered subscribing yet, click on the button subscribe and hit the bell for more content-related videos. Number 1. Make peace with this reality. To build your online business in a diversified and sustainable manner, we do not recommend you jump right away and start building YouTube channels, blogs, podcasts, online schools, all at the same time. These platforms have momentum and take a certain time before generating you a steady income. In fact, when starting your journey to financial freedom and independence, you need to keep in mind this equation. What business will bring me fast cash that I can pay my bills and stay afloat? What business will bring me passive income that I can free more time to scale my business? Your online business is less likely to generate you income from the first day, probably not from the first month. We owe you honesty in this channel, and that is simply a fact that you just need to make peace with. The good news is that by combining different forms of online businesses, and by doing one thing at a time, you can start building your online business progressively, and for the long run. And here is how. Number 2. Diversify and do one thing at a time. Start building your online business progressively, and that is by combining freelancing with an e-commerce, and then with a content creation business, such as YouTube, blog, eBooks, or an online school. Therefore, start with taking few freelancing opportunities, 10 to 20 hours per week, and building 1 or 2 e-commerce businesses that takes little time to set up and run. Once these 2 income streams are set up and running, you can switch more of your focus on your content creation business. This include YouTube channel, blog, podcast, etc. With this in mind, we suggest the following blueprint so you can start your online journey and monetize it. Obviously, you do not have to follow this blueprint in this exact order. However, we recommend you do so in case you are searching for the best online businesses to leave your 9-to-5 job, especially if you do not know yet where to start from. Number 3. Start with freelancing. What is freelancing? By definition, freelancing consists of using your skills and your time to solve someone else's problem in exchange for remuneration. For instance, if you dedicate 10 to 20 hours a week for freelancing, paid at $15 to $30 an hour, this can bring you easily $600 a week. That is an extra $2,400 per month. Why is it important to freelance when starting? Most of people that are starting an online business struggle with these questions, such as: am I going to make enough money to pay my bills? Did I do the right thing by leaving my corporate job? Maybe I should have started my online business as a side hustle and keep my corporate job. Should I shut down my online business for now and go find a corporate job to pay the bills? For this reason, by dedicating 10 to 20 hours a week, paid at $15 to $30 per hour, you can generate up to $2,400 a month. This extra cash can help you cover some of your basic expenses, pay some bills, and silence the financial stress and worries that come inevitably with starting a business journey. Now the question you might be asking is, What type of freelancing opportunities that are in high demand and pay well? From early 2020, artist creation jobs have experienced an unprecedented surge in demand. Companies and businesses are pouring billions into online advertisement. Demand for jobs, such as storytelling, video editing, and script writing, has exploded since 2020. Just look at Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, and FlexJobs.com. We have written a dedicated post about this topic in our blog, professionalsbynature.com. Check it out in the finance section of the blog and learn about the most in-demand freelancing jobs of 2021. Number 4. Build an e-commerce store. Unlike freelancing, an e-commerce store does not take your personal time to make each of the sales. An e-commerce store would allow you to sell anything online, from physical products to digital products. However, we do recommend you privilege digital products. The reason why is that digital products require less overhead cost and leave you with a decent margin. Additionally, you do not deal with having a storage for your products, and you do not deal with customers' returns. A print-on-demand store do not require a lot of maintenance, and if run properly, can become passive income. Meaning that they will require little intervention from you to create designs and optimize the store. So, what is print-on-demand e-commerce? By definition, POD, or print-on-demand business consists of creating a design, like a drawing, a logo, or simply a sentence. You can print your design on t-shirts, mugs, face masks, hoodies, beach towels, swimsuits, and literally anything that can be printed on. Obviously, if set up properly, a print-on-demand business can become a constant source of income and generate passive income. As a result, your intervention to run the business will be little. How does a print-on-demand business work? Foremost, you won't have to print, nor ship the product, nor even manage the customer service. Such logistics tasks are taken in charge by the print-of-demand platforms such as Teespring, Printify, and Redbubble, in exchange for fees. Consequently, it will help you free your mind from all the logistics and focus on doing what you do best, and that is creating cool designs for your products. Don't be intimidated by design creation. Canva.com is the place to go to create beautiful and trendy designs for your products. The tool is free for most of the features you will need. Even the marketing of your created products is also taken care of. In fact, print-on-demand platforms such as Redbubble or Merch by Amazon have their own marketplaces, where people visit regularly to browse the products. Your created product will be listed there too, and for free. Truly, there has never been a better time to creating product designs and launching an e-commerce store, such as print-on-demand. Number 5. Build your content online. Let's approach the topic of content creation by answering these 3 questions. 1. Why people create content online. 2. How people package their online content. 3. How people monetize their content online. Let's answer these questions one by one, each in a separate point. Number 6. Why people create content online. First and foremost, if you are 18 years old or even younger, you have something to teach to someone. So please, do us a favor. Stop thinking that you need a PhD in a certain topic before being authorized to teach it. In general, there are 3 reasons why people create content online. It can be for educational purposes, entertainment purposes, or simply for storytelling, such as someone sharing a personal experience about a topic or an event. In most cases, content creation businesses are one of the best to help you leave the 9-to-5 life once for good. Number 7. How to package your content online. Initially, people needed to know how to code to publish their content online. But that was before. Today, there are plenty of tools and platforms that are free and that allow anyone to create online content and publish it. Firstly, you need to define what you would like to teach. Is it plants that you are passionate about, technology, or maybe parenting? Secondly, you will create your content and usually it starts with writing it down. Even if you plan to make videos, it will be particularly helpful for you to write down your script. Thirdly, you should decide how to package the knowledge that you are intending to teach. The following options are the most popular ones. Start a YouTube channel and teach your knowledge in a video format. Start a blog on WordPress and write posts to teach your knowledge. Write an ebook and package your knowledge in a 10 to 30 pages PDF format document. Build an online school, which is perfect for remote learning. Create a podcast, where you will package your content in an audio file format. This is ideal for your busy audience that is always on the go. Number 8. How to monetize your online content. Depending on which platform you decide to create your content on, there are different ways you can use to monetize your content. The most popular ones are ads revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored ads, one-to-one coaching session, cross-marketing, which is promoting your products on your different platforms. You should know that YouTube and blogs are by far the most popular ways to creating content and reaching millions around the world. Understanding how you can monetize your content on them is a crucial parameter in the financial viability of your online business. Number 9. How to monetize your YouTube channel. Firstly, you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watched hours within the past 12 months to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. Afterwards, you can place ads on your different YouTube videos. You notice how sometimes you are watching a YouTube video and suddenly it gets interrupted to display an ad. In reality, the YouTube ads business happens in this way. YouTube gets paid from the advertisers that they can run their ads on your videos and promote their products. And you, the YouTube channel owner, get paid for having created these videos on which these ads run. The generated income from the YouTube ads will depend on your CPM, and which is your cost for 1,000 impressions. Simply put, the money you will get from having YouTube runs advertisements on your videos will be determined by so many factors. And one of the main factors is your niche and the topics you are videoing about. As an example, if your videos are about personal finance and investing, there is a high probability that companies advertising their investment and finance products will run their ads on your videos. Therefore, for such a niche, the YouTube ads revenue are probably going to be higher than if your video was about how to watch the stars in a summer night. Don't get us wrong, we love nature, and we love watching the stars too. But you got the point. Some topics and niches will generate more YouTube ads revenue than others. Number 10. How to monetize your blog. To clarify, the two most popular ways to monetize your blog are 1. Ads programs. You get paid for traffic by visitors going to your blog. The most popular advertisement programs are Google AdSense, Mediavine, and AdThrive. 2. Affiliate programs. You can partner with any store that has an affiliate program, as long as you satisfy their eligibility criteria. We recommend doing affiliate for products or services you have used. Some examples of affiliate programs are Amazon Associates and ShopStyle Collective. Finally, notice that when a blog gets monetized, using the methods above, it becomes a passive income that requires little intervention from you. As a result, you can start freeing more of your personal time. Therefore, you can reinvest this time in growing your business and spending more time with your beloved ones. Number 11. How to monetize your eBooks. Consider selling your eBooks on your blog if you already have an audience. Otherwise, you can create your store at Amazon KDP, which is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, where people from all over the world are browsing daily for digital content. In fact, Amazon KDP is an ideal place to sell your ebooks, especially if you don't have an audience yet. However, the following platforms are also worth considering. 1. Udemy and Skillshare are more for courses in video format. 2. Etsy and eBay are marketplaces where you can sell all sort of digital and physical products. 3. Teachable and Thinkific are more popular for hosting online schools. 4. Samcart and Lead Pages allows you to create landing pages where you can sell your eBooks. A little preference goes to Samcart with its one-page sales page. This means that your prospect will land on one single page, discover your digital product, in this case your ebook, enter the payment method details, and close the deal. All in one single page, with no need for multiple funnel steps. Finally, you can also run paid ads on Facebook or Instagram to sell your ebooks. You will need a landing page in this case. We recommend Samcart or Lead Pages for doing so. They both provide an easy drag and drop interface to build your sales page, and integrates with Stripe and PayPal for payment processing. And don't forget your free career roadmap. Like a captain need a compass and a map to navigate the seas, you also need a career roadmap to navigate today's career opportunities. Don't wait till you are looking for a job to assess your skills and plan your objectives. This career roadmap will help you do so ahead in advance. To get your free copy, you can click on the link in the video description below, or head to our website, professionalsbynature.com. If you would like us to cover other topics related to career, personal finance, and college education, please let us know in the comment section below the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please click on like button below the video and consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell for more content-related videos. Feel free to check out our free resources by clicking on the link in the description below the video, so you can take your career and education to its best.